In Bel Air, Maryland, where real estate is competitive and home aesthetics play a crucial role in attracting buyers, updating your home's doors is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance its value. New doors not only serve a practical purpose by improving your home's security, insulation, and functionality, but they can also dramatically boost curb appeal, making your property more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest in long-term value for your home, upgrading your doors can provide a significant return on investment. In this article, we'll explore how new doors can enhance your home's value and why this improvement is an excellent choice for homeowners in Bel Air. First impressions matter. Boosting curb appeal. The first thing potential buyers see when they approach your home is your front door. A stylish, well-maintained door can make an immediate positive impression, setting the tone for the rest of the home. In Bel Air, where homes are often situated in scenic, well-kept neighborhoods, your front door is an essential component of your home's curb appeal. Upgrading your front door to a modern, high-quality model can instantly transform your home's exterior, making it look more inviting and updated. Whether you choose a classic wood door, a sleek fiberglass design, or a contemporary steel model, a new front door enhances the overall aesthetic of your home and boosts its visual appeal. In fact, the right front door can become a focal point that draws buyers in and leaves a lasting impression. Enhanced energy efficiency. Older doors, particularly those that are poorly insulated, can let in drafts, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. For homeowners in Bel Air, where temperatures can vary greatly between seasons, ensuring your doors are energy efficient is key to maintaining a comfortable home environment. New doors, especially those with energy-efficient features like double glazing, insulated cores, and weather stripping, can significantly reduce heat loss and improve your home's insulation. As a result, your home's energy efficiency will improve, which is an attractive feature for potential buyers. Homes with modern, energy-efficient features are more desirable and often command higher prices in the market, as buyers are increasingly looking for ways to save on utility bills. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing energy-efficient doors is an excellent way to appeal to eco-conscious buyers who are looking for sustainable features that can reduce long-term costs. Increased security and peace of mind. Another benefit of installing new doors is the improved security they provide. Older doors, particularly those with outdated locks or damaged frames, may be vulnerable to break-ins, making your home less secure. In Bel Air, where homes are often large and may have multiple entry points, having secure, well-constructed doors is essential for both your peace of mind and your home's appeal. Modern doors are built with stronger materials, enhanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced frames that offer greater protection against forced entry. When potential buyers see that your home is equipped with high security doors, they'll appreciate the added safety features. Knowing that the home has robust entryways can help instill confidence and further increase the perceived value of the property. Functional and stylish interior doors. While exterior doors play a significant role in curb appeal, updating interior doors can also enhance your home's overall value. Interior doors, especially those that are dated, worn, or mismatched, can make the interior of your home feel less cohesive and stylish. Installing new, modern interior doors can improve the overall aesthetic of your home's interiors and make it feel more polished and well-maintained. Whether you're installing French doors to create an elegant transition between rooms or sliding barn doors for a rustic touch, upgrading your interior doors can elevate the home's decor. Additionally, functional interior doors, such as pocket doors or bifold doors, can optimize space and improve flow, which are appealing features for buyers seeking a home with a practical and well-designed layout. Long-term investment and ROI. Upgrading your doors isn't just about immediate aesthetic improvement, it's also about the long-term investment. New doors, particularly those that are durable, energy efficient, and secure, can significantly increase your home's market value. According to several studies, home buyers are willing to pay more for a home that has updated features, including modern doors that provide better insulation, security, and curb appeal. The return on investment, ROI, for door replacement can be quite substantial. For example, investing in an upgraded entry door could recoup a significant portion of its cost when it's time to sell. Entry doors in particular are known to offer one of the highest returns on investment among home improvement projects. With the added benefits of energy efficiency and enhanced security, new doors can offer both immediate and long-term value for homeowners looking to increase their home's worth. Low maintenance and durability. New doors are typically more durable and low maintenance than older models. For instance, modern fiberglass and steel doors are resistant to warping, fading, and denting, which means they will maintain their appearance for longer periods without requiring constant upkeep. This can be especially important for potential buyers, who appreciate a home that doesn't require frequent repairs or maintenance. Durable, low-maintenance doors add to the overall value of your home, as they offer buyers peace of mind knowing they won't have to worry about replacing or repairing doors soon after moving in. Conclusion. Upgrading your home's doors is one of the smartest ways to boost its value, whether you're planning to sell in the near future or want to enjoy the benefits of a more secure, energy-efficient, and attractive home. In Bel Air, where homes are a blend of traditional charm and modern amenities, investing in high-quality, updated doors will make your property stand out in the market. From enhancing curb appeal and improving security to offering energy efficiency and long-term durability, new doors provide a substantial return on investment that can increase your home's overall value and appeal to prospective buyers.